Hello everyone, it's time to introduce our new product under Harlowe, originally Harlowe Blade. Very interesting new products, and what we're talking about is we call blade. Why we call blade? There are some meanings about that. So okay, let me show you why we call blade. First, we make this blade, the size is very thin, very slim. And look at the MacBook in my hand. Okay, so it's exactly the same height of MacBook Pro and also same length of the Mac Pro. So the purpose what we try to deliver is, what's the best gear? The best gear is you never remember you bring a gear, but the gear is in your backpack. So that's the point. We want the blade, just like a blade, you know, it's in everywhere you might have backpack, your bag, and anywhere at carry-on luggage. So that's why we named blade, and this is one of the reasons. Another very important reason is we make some very interesting innovation here is, we know normally this kind of tube light is a kind of floodlight, but here you go. Let me show you how the difference we try to provide there. So our blade is, let me show you. By using these two here, do you see that? It's a real sharp shaping light, just like a blade. We can make them even like this, a line. So that's why we call blade. This is a super sharp blade that can help you to do any kind of shaping on the light as you want. And furthermore, this is the first RGB light we have. So you can have red, you can have any color you want. For example, we have blue. Let me give you more. We have green, and we have blue, and we have purple. This is just a fast launch to go to the color range you might want, but actually there's over 30,000 colors you can choose through our app. So there's a lot of fun. You can really place that because, for example, I can try to see that, okay, I can put like a half of my face in this blue, and I can have another face to be in another color. So this is why we call what is the change we might bring to you, to shaping your light in a very interesting way. So freedom your creativity and focus on how you can create different kind of thing. So together with that, we also provide you, if you want to have a floodlight design, it's also a floodlight. So it can come any kind of version you want. It can change to be bicolor very easily and also change to be RGB very easily. And also you can, adjust the brightness very easy, and also you can do the color change very easy. So you also can do fine adjustment just by rotate the knob, but you also can fast go to the color range you want. And a more interesting thing is the blade family comes with not just one product. We actually comes with the family member we call Blade 5. This is Blade 10, only 10 watts, and Blade 5, only 5 watts. What makes our blade very different is most of the tube light in the market today, when we call 10 watts or 11 watts or 16 watts, actually when you go to the color range, they are much lower than the rated to power consumption. For example, a 10 watts one and the red color maybe only have less than 3 watts. But our blade, when we say 10 watts, our red color, our blue color, all different colors all comes with 10 watts in a full power consumption, same to the bicolor. That's due to our special design here, because our bicolor and our RGB contains totally different solutions here. So we make the RGB separately to the bicolor. We don't use the RGB to comes to the white color. So that really helps you to make the color version very strong. So think about that, 10 watts, not only on the bicolor, but all each colors. As you've seen, we are using the MacBook Pro as a reference of the design, the size and thickness for our Blade 10. For Blade 5, we actually use iPhone 15 Pro Max, because we know everyone have iPhone 15 Pro Max in this industry as a professional gear. And you use that together with that, okay, again, it's something, you even didn't realize you bring that with you, but it's in one of your bag or your pocket, anywhere. So it contains all the features we designed on the Blade 10, just smaller. And let's look at the size difference. Okay, it's even less than half of the Blade 10. And next time I'm going to show you Blade 20, the biggest one in the family for that moment. Looking forward to show you more applications, and I also looking forward to see how you create a different kind of application and also how you freedom your creativity by using our blade. Enjoy!